Tehden kejing ujor ke ba ngileyo nagi paradok parsenam jungi kasih penar ki besyong ki basa stage po blok bon ila kala bang nang pelut ke bang yetip lang bro te gani kejing jia ke jia kan riu terik mentau penai jun ara cara hausan hakawe ke yeu ke ba ngitip kung yeu men i ke badon kumba ar kilometer e na yeu khanduli te kat kum ke report ke ba ngi yo nagi arngut kinong song snong jumi ki ba ngim kwa ban penpa ke karteng ke jungki hang ni te ke kam kalong ke ba shisha hi ke mong phareng ke balong jinwin te kini ke arngut ki paralok na ka we pat kan hunjai ben riu karbi ki ba we watip karteng kumu akostin hanse bade na ka snong rong pangbong but we pat de ubom shom la tip karteng tang ba une ururang ba u yethu yengi ke forum u ong ba u de member jongka karbi student association KSE te kila khot ye gini briu jengi hangte hayeu meni bat hadin kene ong ni uneu akos ti hanse ong uba long kum tau konvenor uba penshit uba penkenroy pada keju ko poru uba konwin sigi briu jungi nang te banwan chaka jing yalang jongga HBDRF kabala long hakalai tarik jong menai mi arajara peun san hame po juai bat hadin kene kejing ya keren kejong ki te ki airu da kejing maham kaba kam hi ya gini ki parok parsenam jungi ki badon stage po blongon da ka ba ong ba phi ki khasipnar ki ba shong ki basa shani chepok karbi anglong asam phi dei ban ko ngu phi dei ban burom ya kai ke ba ngingi ong phi dei no ban register ya ki jaka ki puta jungki chepok karbi anglong termos council ya ki kod kisla ki personal documents jong phi but nangta ki ong ru ba nadu benta himde shu ban ya lek ban ya wan ban ya chimenta hakino kino ki jingyalang pai ba ki dorbar ki sorbar la ni ki meeting ki balong sepok ke jela mekalea bat ban ya kendu ban penlong ke jingyalang lembat ki pat kasih penar ki basong basa chene sepok mekalea bat lada pipim hun pim ban chong ban sa apok ani ke jaka jungi phila ban mi no tambai ke jaka puta kamut pipim la ban ra kata kadai ke we ka jing maham ke jungki bat ka baar kalong kumne ki ong ba ki ne ki pat kasih penar jumi ki basong ki basa hang ne po blok won ki dei ban pen i ya kata ka sur jongki ya kata ka willingness ya kata ka voice ke jongki ba ki don kata ka jinghun ki don kata ka jingsuk ba ki don ru kata ka jingkwa ban don hapo ka karbi anglong asam bat ladawan bakeli batok kip ye ki haga jing ede bakani ka kampen bai put pen bai sam kim de ban ong ba ki kwa ban don bech me kalia ki de ban ong bech ba ki hun ki sup bat ki kwa ban don bech sepo ke jela asam te ke ne ke de ke jing maham ke jungki bat ha ke juku por ki pen paru ye ke karteng jonga san lemi sungo balong sherman jongka ne ke forum ong ba lada ngimla ban yo yu ne ngimla ban ye kendu yu ru ki don pat ki bayi ngasem jong u shene te ka ke badon kam ngin sa lewat la ngin se kren bat ki bayi ngasem jong u te ka ne ko kom kren ke jongki la ban de dagawe pat karukom kabangangam ko aban pen pahang ni te hake jingi de bat kini ki kam te ngi kum ka forum ngi dap ke ju seo khia bat hadin gane menin aga chipel terik jong benai jun man taus nem le kendu ye sar DC jong West Jend Hills abinaf ko marsing bat hake jingi keren jungi DC ong yengi ban ai no sendon ka FIR persya ye kini gibrik beron kti aban threatening lene ban intimidate ye gibriu jungi te nakalian jungi kum forum pat ngimpat rai ban ai daka FIR te nakalian jungi bele ikedo benin mo ni ong ye DC ba nginsa pentip siki bakam halor cik advisor jungi ki balong rukil expert te nakalian jungi di kiri orang ba jungi ki ong ba ye kenduk chwa ye SP jungo West Jantia namar ba kumalong menta kane ke jaka wala ka long makana ka dispute area ru kampat don hapo ki crime map jongka jokido binu police station jongka megalea tinggal dangi ujor ka FIR kan long bait kuma FIR na ka we ka state ka we ka state te ka la bandon ka jingwit la dangim ya rengkat bat ki bor jongka ai te hagajing ide begane mantagasni khatbai terek Jun arjar peusan ngilale ye kendu bat u SP jung gas jentia sar siserti bat hagajing keren jungi isare ong ba nagaliang jungi kung ko forum rungi pensyahi ya kata ka jing bat ye kita ki mat ki bang ledep ye keren bat isar disi isar SP ong ba ngam khang ye phi ba phin ujor ya ka FIR tang ba ngide ban perkhat yok ba kan mi penban kata ka huri hura ka ba kham ti nagaliang jong sar disi ajing mut SP ngamut manong ti SP la ajing mut yangi ba in pen ye keren no mai bat kita asam counterpart bat SP kumta terter jong ka west karbi anglong ban settle lane ban te lakam no ye kene ka jing sa penting pesmis jong gibriu jungi hagini gibe pat kiken hunjai benriu namar kumalong menta dang men henin chepeu tarik kumangi ila pathai kubor bagami gawe ka jing huri mo hangti po snong lapangap namar bagini gipai karbi ki wan rai kipu silum bat kimut bat penjot ki jakarep jakariang jong gipai ni snong keberang teh lapangap te nagaliang jing ko forum ru haden gani gajing ajing mut jongi SP tinggi sekali menjuri ya gani bat ngidang jabut din ni gani kam kenang bakan omi kano ko huri hura ni kamat bat kumju ni kenturu ya ki board district administration jong west jentia ngadu ko police department ban ya keren bat giti ka asam counterpart namar ba bangi baro ngilong ginong India hi ngidon ke juga ngidon ke juga constitution na kapenta tek lakam ya gani ka hok long beriman beri ujumi te segaway ngamut ngadon ban ong kumne mo kani kalong kubor ya ki pardo parsnam ngejungi baro kamtam ni ki pai kasi penar ki basyong ni basa hang ne hari kasi jentia bi jungi bat kumju ya ki pai kasi penar jungi ki badon chite shpo blok 1 ngangan kren ya gejing shisha habang sya maham kumne ngamut bangating balane bangalong tau kauput lada ngadai ban yap na kamta ki dawba jung gede bagi jai menriu ngalong bakloi tangba ka jing bat kumju ye ki pat kasi penar jungi ki badon chite shpo blok 1 ngangan kren ye gejing shisha habang sya maham kumne ngamut bangating balane bangalong tau kauput lada ngadai ban yap na kamta ki dawba jung gede bagi jai menriu ngalong bakloi tangba ka jing ka ba ka bang ka jai menriu jungi ka mat menta kalong kumni mo kalong kumni ngangan kren ye gejing shisha to kumalong menta lada lek damangi kising bahalang la negi briu sorkar ban pelong jingalang cite cepol blok 1 ru ni hab ban leiri ni hab ban lek tu ya bakin tip ita ki karbi bar lada wan dagi pardo parsnam jungi nang te na po blok 1 chane cepo juwais po mekaleyaru ki hab ban yawan sop ki hab ban yawan tu ban yawan ri yo ba kin itu la ni yo bakin tip ita ki karbi te ka jing sneu ju nga la de ka por yangi bangin pendu no sendon ya kum kan ga jing sneu habangi ong kum ta yo tip kita ki karbi yo lap kita ki karbi ka don ar bantang ngadon banong ka wei ka de ka jing siap ting ka jungi ka jing khau put ka jungi namar ko mangyo iba wan nagaleng ka sarkar gamut kamut ban ya keren halor ga ne ga jing shisha mark mat ba directly bat kita ki bor ki badon na ka wei pat ka jela te ayu nga ngadon banong ka kubor ka mga ban pha menta kalong kani hagaway pat sagaway pat ka benta om day bangiting palat ya gini karbi kat ka baki ki bun pai mangiru ngibun kat baki ka start ngiru ngi start kat baki klain bor mangiru ngi klain tang ba ngim kwa ban le dak lenti bi an ban man ra ka no ko huri huramo namar ngi buro me chong suk chong sai namar ba ki don ki parado parsnam jumi stage chapai te chapo blok 1 cepo labang nang pelut bala baker kup de gini giwe ari snong karbi kumalong menta cepo la karoi tak par rompong bong bat kunta ter te dene ne gadau ni buro ma chum suk chong san bat ngim kwa bat pen pau persya ya kata ka ke bangi ngile henrei ka par ka bajia ka long kumni ladangi ailat kumni chukumni chijiu nongru kamut ki briu jungi kin sya penting ke sya persmes bet hagini giwe pat kikan hunjai benre kisim kabu penban ba ma ki kini kimnut kilong ki ba khau put kilong ba khau kumta ter tikin yo bor no ban kontrol ini ke kumba kila dep keren persya ini gi brunjungi de ne gane gadau nadu menta kasmi bangi ki pai kasi penar ni de be ba pen pau pada kalian jungi kum ko forum na kalian jungaru ngan ong be ya ke government ya ki parlok sing balang baro bangi de ke por yangi bangin ya teli ban ya renti no ya ke bandawai ka ho gi brunjungi Habang ong kumne ngamut bengin yara dengin yara white lenengin ya thau kinu kinu kucing klurman ban mi kata ka huri hura nane kata ka jing siap harjai benriu. Na marbal leiba ngilangi ate. Gibe gijing yalang ru lek tu le ri yo lap tau karbi yo tip tau karbi ar gijing yalang lai gijing yalang sa gijing yalang ru kumta. Habawan mengki seneru kumju belek mengi seteru kumju. Hatu ngi kasih penar gim don hok ngem de ginong India. Amde mengi don kaju constitution. I kumbat de tang kita ki karbi gibade gibriu mangingi de gikseu mangingi de gimarat. De tang maki gibadon ka hok hakata kritis charge ngor India. Hatu ngi ngim don hok. Ngaya gane ngakran na kabashay. De na marga taba ide penduk no ikane gemesim gejing kemensim gejing kim jing mut gejungi gejing septeng gejungi hadal de ka por yangi bangin kran bet ya ka hok gejing shisha ayu ka ba ngi gide ben kran. Bara ka juko por ngin sa ai gejing tho jaga government ha ka juko por chau DC jong West Jentia bakin khot penlong no gejing yalang. Ngin ai gejing tho bakin khot penlong no gejing yalang ha gejing don lang ba ki board administration West Karbi anglong mar West Jentia. DC bar SP jong West Karbi anglong mar West Jentia. Bar hakane gejing yalang. Yin kan tu yaki board district ban khot bat kitu ki stakeholder ne kitu ki pat nyung snong ke badon situ. Yaki wehe snong, yaki ramba snong, yaki kambora ne ke pat kan hun cai benriu, yaki nong yalam sing balang, bat yaki tu ki pat ba ke basong ke basa ha ke ne ke jaka ka basa ni kan ru benram. Bat makigi kar biru kin cranbag hawashit basai ka e bagidon manong, mangi khasi penaro ngin cranbag direct ha ka basit basai ayu ngi ginon manong. Pai ai ba ki bor sarkar pat kin tiala kam chuk chuk chong sai. Nak kan bentaban penkut no ya kan gijing syak maham ya kan gijing syak penting pen smith ibri ujungi tiba syong ki basa sikit tigitan marko balong benta mo ibun ba gijing dia tambah ngimpat syom la report mending ngakran direct isar di SP ro henry kan nek report ka bangi ai kalom ka bakham jinwin mar bala kren dau ni de kini giri orang ba mar ba uni wa konspirasi ude we ubri ba pa khmat chite pada ka juko por nge jing tiba ude u sharman jong gotoga suching amreng border area development committee teh bakren da kum gini gibriu penting bisbeci gibriu jungi ide bersim khia ke yo bakan jia pat ka eke ba sneu sui gibriu jungi yebram chite today we the new trap border dispute result from HPDRF after we have received a complaint or a report from two individuals of our Khasipenar from block 1. I would not like to mention their name here, that on the 6th of June 2025 at a place known as Yao Umpoviang or Yao Meni, a weekly market there at Meni. It is maybe 2 kilometers from Kanduli market. So these two peoples from other community, Karbi community, named as Agustin Hanse, he was from Rompongbong village, and one known as member of the Karbi Student Association KSE. They dragged our people, as I have mentioned, two Khasi people there. And they threatened our Khasi people to drag them to Hamren police station. They blame that one person from our community was the leader as the convener, who convinced the people there to attend the rally of the HPDRF here at Juai on the 3rd of May 2025. And beside this, these two person, Karbi people, threaten and intimidate our Khasipenar people. And they force them, if anybody come to ask them whether you the Khasipenar, you like to be in the states of Meghalaya or in the states of Assam, they force them to give a reason that the Khasipenar people there have their willingness, have their will to be within the Karbi Anglong Assam. And also, they force our people to register their land to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Not only for our local people there, but also even from the villagers of Meghalaya to the nearby village from Lapangap, from Kanduli, and so on, who have their plots of land to the Karbi Anglong Assam as they claim. So therefore, this is also, we the forum, we are not accept. Because till today, this area was under dispute. Neither belong to Assam or Meghalaya. So therefore, as we have seen, two chief minister of Assam and Meghalaya from time to time have had a meeting to settle this border issue. But unfortunately, these Karbi people totally claim they are powerful as this part of land are totally belong to them. But and also they threaten and they warns our Khasipanar people not to attend any public meeting, any public gathering, or having any conversation with the Khasipanar people of Meghalaya. They must not attend any meeting, any public gathering regarding with this matter of border issue. And also, from time to time, we have been reported several times, but for those and that, we don't like to mention. But when we receive a complaint for the statesman of this genuine person, he was one of the, this Agustin Hanse was one of the well-known people, person there, and he also as the chairman of the Soching Amreng Border Development Committee, as I have informed. So therefore, we take serious on this matter that they will take any bad action, they will harass and they will insult to our people there. Therefore, we have met with our authority, DC of the West Jaintia and the SP of West Jaintia. And today, after the meeting with the SP, he assured us that he will discuss with the Assam counterpart so that peace and tranquility and any happen will not be there to our people there. And this is also my message to our Karbi brother and sister, especially for those who live between the village of Labang Nang Phulut and West Jain Hills district, as Meni, as Tapat, Lakeroy, Ungkermi, Mokoilum, and so on. I would like to urge them to live peacefully. We are all tribals. So therefore, I would like to urge them not to create any communal feeling, any misunderstanding between us. And I would like to say that we know, you the Karbi also you know, and the whole India know that pre-independence, before 1951, this is our part of land. Labang Nang Phulut Dollarship is one of the oldest ilaka in the Jowai. But unfortunately, after independence, when we came our country, and in the times of the creation of the district council for the tribal area, so the then Assam government forcibly take it this part of land from the then Jowai civil subdivision and forcefully included into the United Kachar Mikir Hills, the then United Kachar Mikir Hills, now Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So from that time, they Karbi claim our part of land as their constitutional boundary. But after a long struggle of our forefather, they brought many complaints to the then Assam government and even to the government of India. After that, the then Assam government issued more notification in 1955, in 1956, and 1957. And also the then Assam government directed the two district council in those time, United Khasi Jaintia Hills and United Kachar Mikir Hills, to join, to help, to conduct a joint survey for the purpose of transfer of Block 1 and Block 2 to the United Khasi and Jaintia Hills in those time, now the states of Meghalaya. So, according with that government order, government notification, both of the district council has conducted a joint survey in 1958, and both of the official from the respective district council has been conduct a joint survey on the 17th of Feb to 23rd of Feb 1958 from Rompongbong to Jirikende, and they have been submitted their report according with the direction from the Assam government notification and put up to their respective district council in this time. But unfortunately, what I have to say, when the Meghalaya fight for its statehood, and in those time the Karbi also joined with us. So these issues are still pending. But when Meghalaya attained its statehood in 1970, 1972. So this matter and this subject, this border issue, become interstate border, not inter-state council border as long as before. So therefore, after Meghalaya attained its statehood, so from time to time, both of the two governments, Assam and Meghalaya, had a discussion to settle this long pending border issue, and especially to retransfer back of Block 1 and Block 2 from Assam to the states of Meghalaya. Therefore, Karbi brother and sister, I would like to inform you, I would like to urge you, we have our right as Indian citizen to demand according with the constitution and also according with this Assam government notification, we have our right to demand that our part of land must be included, must be retransferred, must be reunited to the mainland of our forefather within the states of Meghalaya on this border settlement which was going on both of the two states. Therefore, you have no right to stop us, no right to blame us on this issue because we have our right. And last and finally, I would like to say that please maintain peace and tranquility. Let us fight our right abiding with the law. If the government decide that Block 1 will remain in Assam, we will be within the state of Assam. And if the two government retransfer this part of land to the state of Meghalaya, you the Karbi also, you must be included in the state of Meghalaya if you want to live in your own place as long as now.